Colon cancer is the third most common cancer in the world. We can prevent this cancer with the help of the screening. Studies suggest that 95% colon cancer can be prevented with the help of the screening. Screening is recommended at the age of 50 to 74 years. Now the new studies suggest at the age of 45 years. So screening is mostly recommended if there is no any symptom, and we can do this test at home easily. So there is a kit, FIT, fecal immunochemical test. So we have to collect the stool sample and send back to the laboratory. To read the instruction, according to instruction, we have to collect the sample of the stool and we have to send to the laboratory. If the test is normal, means negative, then we have to recheck every 2 years. If the test is positive, then colonoscopy is recommended within 8 weeks. If any of the family member is suffering with the colon cancer, either father, mother, daughter, son, brother, sister, then it is recommended screening 10 years before the recommended age. We have to spread this message to everyone, those whose age is 45 and above, so we can prevent this colon cancer with the screening, and we can save the life of the people by sharing this message to everyone. Thank you.